Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dennis. I work for a company called Sapienza, and I would like to tell you about our initiative called ECLIPSE for Academia. And I would like to start with this desktop. Particularly, maybe you know about the Death Star 2 conundrum, which is as you know, the first Death Star was built by the Empire, took them decades to complete, then gets destroyed by Luke Skywalker et al. Then within 4 years, the Empire has a second Death Star, even bigger, more powerful one. So how the question is, how did they manage to build it so quickly? And we think that they had very good process in place for project management, specifically things like documentation management, configuration, and such. Unfortunately, I think in many CubeSat projects led by academia, we see an opposite trend, where it's difficult for the projects, due to the scale and budgets, to purchase, professional space project management tools, and a lot of different detached application software and tools are used, and all of them are great, of course, for what they do. But the problem comes, I think, when all of this data and all of this accumulated information needs to be integrated and worked for reuse for the other projects as well. It tends to become very, very heavy, and they sort of form like those knowledge silos where you have lots of different tools and your information is spread all over the place. And that's where ECLIPSE comes in. So what is ECLIPSE? It's a suite of integrated applications that we call modules. Each of them is designed to accommodate a certain data-driven process within the project space cycle, the space project cycle, and used by quite a lot of big guys in the industry and smaller ones as well. So you can see, I think, some of the examples on the screen. It's the mix of the modules, of course, can be tailored to the specification of your project and how you work. But some of the things like non-conformances and reviews, documentation management. So these are these all have a specific module within the ECLIPSE tool, and that sort of eliminates this need for separate tools, and makes it much more easier integration, seamless collaboration between different teams, and pretty much together those modules can be used in the project end to end. So I can probably talk about each of the modules for a very long time, and we will never leave this room. But I think what would be most interesting for academia like CubeSat projects is our most recently introduced module called DAB. That DAB stands for Database Application Builder, not this thing. And it's pretty much designed to create like a light version, smaller, more agile version of each of the modules we have in the ECLIPSE suite. So you can set it up in a couple of minutes and not spend too much time in having this process of get on board with each of the modules. Perhaps you don't need this and you don't have too many people in the team. So what DAB can actually do is you can see some of the examples of the ways it could be used. And it's pretty simple. I mean, it's you have a clean environment. You set up the workflows. You maybe would like to have reviews against the records, or you would like to have comments for each record, for collaboration between the teams. You assign the security so that user access, different team members can have different roles within the project. You configure the metadata. Maybe you would like to be compliant with the ECSS or ISO standards, so that is possible as well. ECLIPSE is enabling you to adhere to the standards, and you start generating records. So quite straightforward. Yeah, so far I have met with several teams, academia-led CubeSat projects. The teams working on the projects, and we got some positive feedback, at least. So just to show you that we come from some knowledge. We do have some knowledge into the structure of those projects, although they can be very different, of course. So we think that that might cover most of your needs. So what we actually offer is to have a free license for academia to use ECLIPSE. You can use DAB. You can also use other modules. It's up to you. Up to 100 users per project. You get your own hosted environment in the cloud, servers. ECLIPSE, the modules could be quite expensive, so we want to offer this for free for universities and academia institutions. It's to use the tools, professional tools that use in the industry, and we could even help you with some consultancy, of course, and if you decide to give it a shot, so we will try to support you, with maybe helping with data migration, or where we can discuss this. And what do we need from you in return? Universities and academia, probably like once a year to get structured feedback on ECLIPSE. You could see some of the examples. These are things that we sort of get back from the universities that we're working at the moment, but we are quite flexible on it. Can be anything, as long as it's for us it's some structured feedback that we can use. And something that we really would want is maybe some study or case studies or academic papers where you mentioned ECLIPSE, how it can be used within the CubeSat project. Some social media engagement also possible. We are quite flexible on this, so go ahead. If you have some ideas, let me know. Often I get asked, what's in it for us as Sapienza? You're a commercial company, and expensive tools, and giving stuff for free seems suspicious. The way we see it, it's for us to engage with the universities, and it's a new generation of engineers, space engineers, and for us, we think we can get very good direction in terms of evolution for the tool in the future. If we get the feedback, maybe we're doing something completely irrelevant, and that works for big guys in Airbus for many years, but perhaps the process is changing, and the CubeSat market in general is quite strong already, but it's still emerging, and it's disrupting in the way the way things work. So we would like to be on board with this, at least anticipate the market needs in terms of with CubeSats, where is it going. So for us, this is like an investment, non-monetary investment, but we believe if ECLIPSE gets adopted and the students start to use it early on within during their studies even, it will get eventually more traction for ECLIPSE in the companies and agencies, whenever you will be working in the future. Any fresh ideas? We think enriching the ecosystem itself, will be beneficial for us, and eventually will be more business. Just some words about Sapienza. We are located in the Netherlands, just around the corner from Mexico. And throughout the years, we supported with their software and manpower. I should forgot to mention that another aspect of this, what we would, what one would like to offer for free, but as well, we have another domain for Sapienza apart from the software and ECLIPSE. It's also manpower services. So we have a lot of jobs in the space sector, and perhaps through ECLIPSE as well, you will connect with Sapienza as a future employer. And throughout the years, we supported many variety of missions in the space sector. All the Rosettas and Bepi Colombo, all those missions are using ECLIPSE in ESA particularly. I think in ESA at the moment, every mission is using ECLIPSE or variation of different tools or different modules. And apart from ESA, we also have some commercial clients, the Airbuses and OHBs of the world, and also the more smaller SMEs and even some startups that we started recently working with. And we are quite happy with the traction that ECLIPSE gets at the moment in the industry. If that sounds like something you could use or interest, or maybe someone in your university or who could be benefiting from this initiative, then do come check with me during the break. And I have some flyers lying around, or you can log in, just go onto our website and create an account. You can have like a demo account, try to use ECLIPSE and see if you like it. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. It was really nice because we got the same issues as you mentioned before at the beginning. Is it mono-project centric, or can you manage several projects with interaction between projects in ECLIPSE?
Yes, you can. I mean, there is integration between all of the modules. I probably should have mentioned that as well. And there is a bilateral link between all of the modules, and you could have. I mean, we try to offer a single project environment for CubeSat's academia CubeSat project, but we could probably do several. If you would like to start using it, and you will have cross-project transparency as well.
Hi. So I didn't see any reference to U.S. NASA or any U.S. university. Is there any particular bond to U.S. institution? That's the first question. The second one is, do you consider non-profit organizations as part of academia or not?
Okay, thank you. First part, I mean, we have no bans or any sort of issues, of course, with American-based companies, and we would actually we would like to get them. And I think in the past there was some concerns, from NASA, for example, that it's hosted on the European software, and it's hosted. I mean, you could also have your own environment, hosted on site, and use ECLIPSE, not in the cloud on our hosted service. But yeah, to make it short, there is no restrictions. I'm not sure how we didn't get there. We probably ask our account manager. But yeah, we would love to go to the States as well. Second part, what was the
non-profit organization?
So we try to. I mean, the constraint for us. I mean, as long as it's not a commercial product that you're working on, if it's science or validation of some instruments or tools, that's fine with us as well. We do work with institutions, research institutions who are not per se academia, but they still, they non-profit. So this could be possible, and I would gladly chat with you on it.
Any other questions?